Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You should have Magic Bullet looks installed and your clip baked into the timeline. Open the plugin and load a reference frame. First, drop a basic corrective node and normalize exposure so you start from a neutral base. This removes guesswork. Once done, switch on your scopes and set white balance roughly with the temperature slider. Make small, visible adjustments, not extremes, so you can layer stylization later without destroying skin tones or clipping highlights. Now you begin sculpting the look. Add nodes for secondary corrections, a film profile, and grain or vignette. You should isolate skin tones with HSL qualifiers before pushing hue shifts, because skin consistency is critical. Tweak saturation and hue only within that mask. Once you have a pleasing base, apply a film or punch preset and dial opacity to taste. Make sure to toggle before slash after frequently so changes remain intentional, and refine using curves to keep midtones natural. Finish by rendering a short high-quality segment and evaluate on a calibrated display. Look for banding, clipping, or color shifts. If you see blown highlights, pull exposure down slightly and engage highlight recovery. If skin hue drifts, re-isolate and nudge the hue back. Once satisfied, save your node stack as a preset and note key values so you can reproduce the look. If anything goes wrong, step back to the corrective node and rebuild from neutral. This usually fixes cascading issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.